Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage or FaceTime activation error. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the activation error for your iMessage or your FaceTime, so let's see how can you fix that. So now to do that, you just have to open your settings app here. Very first, I recommend you have to make a software update. If you find any pending software updates, you go for general, go for software updates, and try to update your software. After updating your software, go back from here, go for the apps section and look for the app in which you're facing the issue. For example, I'm going to my FaceTime app, select that, so scroll down. So if you are finding that your FaceTime is deactivated or you're finding activation error, so you just have to enable this toggle. If you find this already enabled, just disable this and then wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds, then enable it again. It will make a quick refresh with all of your FaceTime settings or you will not get the activation error again. So if you're facing this same issue with your iMessage, scroll down, look for the Messages app here, tap on your Messages app and then you have to enable this toggle. If you find it's already enabled, disable this, wait for up to for 5 to 10 seconds, enable this again, and after that your issue must be fixed. If this doesn't work for you, you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone and then your issue will be fixed. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's add this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go for settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings so the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your iPhone settings. It will not delete any kind of data. It will just reset all settings to their default. And after that, you'll not get any kind of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.